In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download any app you want to select and set up as your new default. I wanna change my browser, so let's go with Firefox. After your app was successfully downloaded, go into Devices Settings. Tap on Apps section available here and tap on Default Apps. Now tap on any section you wanna manage, in my case Browser app, and click on the one you wanna apply. When you finished, just go back, your changes will be automatically saved. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!